Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer Bitcoin from PayPal to your Trust wallet. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your PayPal app and then you have to click on this finances option from the bottom of your screen. Then from this screen, you have to click on this crypto tab. And after that, you will be able to see all of your cryptocurrencies that you currently have in your PayPal account. Now from here, you have to select the Bitcoin and then on the screen, you have to click on this double arrow or this action button right next to this sell button. And from this pop-up window, click on send. On the screen, you have to paste the wallet address from your Trust wallet. So open up your Trust wallet and then click on receive button. And from the list of cryptocurrencies, select Bitcoin and then simply click on this copy button and your wallet address will be copied. Now go back to the PayPal app, paste the wallet address in this top bar and then you will see this option with your wallet address and the double arrow. So you just have to click on it and then you just have to enter the amount, how much you want to transfer, and then it might send you the verification code to a registered email or phone number, so verify yourself. And once you do that, it will give you the summary of your transfer. So make sure your wallet address and the amount you are transferring is correct, and the most important thing, you have to make sure that the network is same in both of your PayPal and your Trust wallet. So once you confirm these details, click on send now and your Bitcoin will be transferred from your PayPal to your Trust wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.